Have you got a minute? We can make this. Chicken enchiladas just got super easy and as delicious as ever with only 5 ingredients. Here's what you'll need. 1 store-bought rotisserie chicken that you've shredded, 1 package of corn tortillas, some cheddar cheese, your choice mild or sharp, and here comes the big secret, guacamole salsa. This brand is Herdez, and you'll find it in most stores or online. Pour half of the salsa into a container, then take the corn tortillas and dredge them in the salsa. Place the tortilla in a casserole dish, add some chicken and some cheese, and roll it up. Do it again and again, and if you want a little more heat, add some green chilies. Fill the casserole dish, then add some cream to the remaining salsa. Give it a good shake and pour it over the enchiladas. Top with cheese, and in the oven it goes for about 20 minutes. If you want a nice golden brown top, use the broiler mode for the last few minutes. 5 ingredients to exceptional enchiladas. We'll catch you next time on the 1 Minute Kitchen. 1 Minute Kitchen proudly presented by these sponsors.